If you have some ripe bananas sitting in your kitchen, please don't throw them away. Let me show you how I turn mine into these soft, fluffy and delicious mini banana pancakes. They are so easy to make, and honestly, they are perfect for breakfast, a quick snack, or even something you can make for your kids. And the fun part about it is that you can make these mini pancakes in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, I will add in some flour, sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Then I will mix everything together using a whisk. This is to ensure that everything blends together nicely. I will then create a well in the bowl where I will pour in my milk and egg. You don't need to pour all the milk at the beginning of the process. Keep some and you can add as you go until you get the right consistency. Keep mixing until you get a smooth, thick but pourable batter. If you have watched up to now and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing. Thank you. Make sure not to overmix the batter because the pancake might come out strong after frying. This is how it should look after mixing. Or add in some cooking oil to ease the frying process. Now comes the fun part where I introduce the ripe banana into the paste. Instead of mashing the banana into the batter, I will peel the banana and slice them into the batter. Gently mix them, making sure each piece is nicely coated with the batter. I really love doing it this way because when the pancakes cook, those little pieces of banana become soft and sweet inside. So you actually get a lovely burst of banana with every bite. Next, I'll heat my pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with a little oil. Then I will scoop small portions of the batter into the pan. I'll allow them to cook gently until the edges start to set. Then I will carefully flip them over and let the other side cook until beautifully golden. Just look at this, so fluffy, and you can actually see those little pieces of banana inside. You can enjoy them as they are. Drizzle some honey over, add yogurt to it or your favorite pancake topping. And honestly, this is such a simple way to use up ripe bananas without letting them go to waste. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. And if you enjoy simple wholesome recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to Nagai 7 for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.